You know, it wasn't for my team. I don't know how we're gonna do this, but we thank God everything went out successful. So we're good. Yeah. So we are good here. Yeah. So they're in the cage now. So we thank God for the journey so far. Yeah. Yeah. It's 150 feet. Yeah, it's very long. Yeah. 150 feet. So far, the birds are doing good so far. Yeah. The birds are doing so well. Yeah. They're doing so well. And then they need time to get used to the cage, so they were in deep litter for brooding. So let's see how they will cope with the cage.